welcome to my channel, and don't forget subscribe my channel, and don't forget my don't forget to click my notification bell and like this video. So maglalaro tayo ng Rainbow Healing Shower. KKK, let's go. Ayan na, lalaro na tayo. Naglalag siya. So guys, please subscribe. 1 subscribers lang ako please. Gusto ko lang mag-ayo sa ibang artista. Gusto ko rin mag-artista. Pero charot, nahiyain ako wala akong magpakita ng ka. Pero nakita nyo na talaga. Yes, oh, yes. Malaglag tayo dito kaya dahan-dahan lang. Huwag tayo. Patience lang. Dito ay nahirapan ako. Ay! Unang laro pa lang yun. Ay, nawawala siya eh. Oh, wait lang. So guys, ito na. So, nandito ako sa terrace ko. Sorry kung maingay. Wala. Patience. Ayan. I love Toro family. Kayo ba guys? Do you have Toro family? Ang ayaw ko lang doon ay si Paye. Kasi sobrang bad. Ay! So leave na muna tayo. So ayan guys, ang ingay. Dito na lang muna tayo. Mag-play or die time of me, Mr. Grease. So, nag-leave tayo doon kasi sobrang nakakainis. Ibabat ko ngayon. One wins tayo kasi napatay ko na si Mr. Grease. Ganda na ito. Pangarap kong magka-Roblox. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda mo ate. Susumbong ko pa. Game na tayo. Number 8 yung people. Tagal. Number 2? Bakit?
Good morning, sleepyheads. You're on my fabulous game show. Very few of you peasants will make it out alive. But those who do will be greatly rewarded.
Sana may dali. Tagal ng laro. Pawis na ako. Pakaligi ko lang. Sabagay, maganda naman magpapawis kasi para ano. May energy.
This game involves some plates. You don't want step on too long though.
No, 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 no. No, no, bawal matalo. Bawal matalo.
Good job!
Yay!
You did it!
Ay, ganun lang. Ganun-ganunan lang. Wala naman ito pakwenta eh. Ganun-ganunan lang yung laro ay. Tingnan natin yung leaderboards. Ako pa rin. Mula. Yan, may palaro ulit.
In this game, I will allow you, the players, to vote on who should be eliminated.
Ito ba ni Mr. Grease?
3, 2, 1, go!
Sana wag ako. Spare, spare. Spare lahat. Spare!
Selected player, you have 30 seconds to beg for your life.
Spare natin siya. Kasi yung cute ng face mo. Spare natin.
Time's up.
Spare, spare,
Now,
spare.
everybody, vote to spare or kill this player. Interesting choice. Selected player, you have 30 seconds to beg for your life.
Bulbasaur. Please, I beg you, God.
Time's up.
Makaawa.
Now, everybody, vote to spare or kill this
I
player.
beg you.
Interesting choice.
Good job! You did it!
So guys, galing natin. Unti agad natin guys. Paano natin mapapatay si Mr. Grease? You think you can defeat me? Napatay na namin ni Bacon si Mr. Grease. Kaya may 1 win na.
In this game, you'll need to pick up the gem bags off the floor or something bad may happen. Oh, Mama, another pig.
Hanap tayo agad natin.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ayan! Ito lahat ng jetpack. Lahat na meron. Kaya may eliminated So, ayun lang guys. Bye-bye. Mas.